Hey Flutes, we're on our 12 major scale series, and this is the B major scale, second lesson, 2 of 3. Let's build our B major scale using our keyboard. First, we're going to find B on the keyboard, and then just write out our musical alphabet. Then we need to use our whole half-step pattern to determine which notes fit within the B major scale. That will help us know which ones are sharp and which ones are natural. Our whole half-step pattern is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Half step means that you go to the key next to the one you're on, whether it's going from one white key to the next, or if it's going from one white key to a black key, or if it's going from one black key to a white key. It doesn't matter if it's the white key or the black key, just be sure that when you're doing half steps, you're going up to the key right next to it. Whole step means that you'll go up 2 keys from the one that you're on. So if we use our whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half pattern, which is the major scale pattern, we can determine that the B scale is B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. If you don't know what A sharp is, it's just B flat, but it's another name for it. That's where we use our enharmonic spellings to help us determine that A sharp and B flat are the same keys. For this lesson, you need to be thinking A sharp instead of B flat, and we have some exercises to help us remember that. If you haven't watched the previous lesson on the B major scale, be sure to go through those exercises first. It works within the first range of your B major scale, and this lesson is going to focus more in the upper range above the staff. And specifically, we're going to be working on D sharp and C sharp and E naturals. D sharp above the staff is every finger down. So you have all 3 keys right here, along with your thumb key. And then you need to be sure that you put down your G sharp key as well, which is your pinky key. On your right hand, all keys go down on that one as well. Anytime you see a D above the staff, be sure that you're using this fingering. This is the same as E flat, but you need to be thinking D sharp within this scale. It's every finger down. For C sharp, we do only pinky, no other finger on the keys. Let's play this 2-line exercise at tempo 100. 1, 2, ready, play. Now let's try at tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. And lastly, let's play it at tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, if you followed along with that exercise, you notice that I marked every single note that was supposed to be sharp for you to see. Now let's try playing it without the sharps added in. So now it's just within the key signature, and you have to remember where the D sharps and the C sharps are. We'll start at tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time at tempo 120. Don't forget your D sharps and your C sharps. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, let's move on to our next exercise where we're adding in our high E naturals and F sharps. F sharp above the staff is just like F sharp at the top of the staff, except for you're going to pick up your second finger here. We'll play it 3 times with the sharps written in for you. Then we'll go back and we'll play it 2 more times with the sharps in the key signature for you to remember. First tempo is 100. 1, 2, ready, play. Next, tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. Last time with the sharps added in at tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, let's try it at tempo 112, but now the sharps are in the key signature and you have to remember where they are. One, two, ready, play. And tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Our next exercise now goes up to the last few notes at the top, and it focuses on the G sharp and the A sharp. And remember, A sharp is the same as B flat. So anytime you see an A in this scale, just remember that it's the same as B flat. For G sharp above the staff, it's like A flat or G sharp in the staff, except you're going to pick up your pointer and your thumb. So it's only 3 fingers down total. For A sharp above the staff, it's going to be thumb, your 4th finger or pointer finger on your bottom hand, the trill key beside it, and your pinky. Let's first play this exercise at tempo 84. 1, 2, ready, play. Next, we will play it at tempo 96. 1, 2, ready, play. And lastly, we'll play it at tempo 104. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, let's start focusing on our arpeggio. So you know that the arpeggio from previous videos is the 1, 3rd, and 5th of the scale, and we will play it 2 octaves. So for this scale, that's B, D sharp, and F sharp. Let's play this exercise at tempo 108. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, next let's try it at tempo 116. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, last time at tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. try playing the second octave of the B major scale, 3 different tempos with the sharps added in, and then we will go back and we will play it again with the key signature added in, so you have to remember the sharps, and we will play it a couple times then too. First tempo is 100. 1, 2, ready, play. In tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. In tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, now with the key signature added in, so you have to remember the sharps, and we're at tempo 108. 1, 2, ready, play. In tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. And tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, now let's try the arpeggio, playing it at 3 different tempos. First is tempo 108. 1, 2, ready, play. In tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. And tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, let's try the whole scale, but now you have to memorize a few notes. So we're going to memorize the C sharp, D sharp, and the A sharp. We will play this at 3 different tempos. First is tempo 108. 1, 2, ready, play. In tempo 112. 1, 2, ready, play. And lastly, tempo 120. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you struggled with anything in this video, go back and play it again and play it until you get comfortable. We just need to make these scales muscle memory so we don't have to think about them as much. Be on the lookout for the next lesson. It's our final lesson in our B major scale, lesson 3 of 3. In that lesson, we will finish memorizing the full scale 2 octaves along with the arpeggio. See you next time.